So there are some very important points about bonding, and that is number one very important point, that only the electrons take part in bonding, not proton, not neutron, but electrons take part in bonding. And for example, if I have lithium has 3 electrons. So it's a proton neutron, which is a nucleus, and nucleus contains proton and neutron, and there are 3 electrons. The first shell contains 2 electrons, and the second shell contains 1 electron. And only the last shell electron, the outer shell electron, take part in bonding. Inner shell electrons do not take part in bonding. Why atoms make bond? And the reason is that a full outer shell makes an atom stable. The noble gases, atoms have full outer shell, have complete outer shell. This is the reason that the noble gases are stable, they are happy, and they are satisfied. And they want to maintain this state of complete outermost shell, a complete outermost shell electronic configuration. And this is the reason that they are not ready to react.